Just because a keyword gets a lot of traffic, it doesn't mean it's worth going after. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down how not every keyword is worth pursuing in SEO and why. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Going after keywords that are too competitive is a waste of time, especially if you have a low domain authority. Look, if you're going after keywords like credit cards and you're a brand new site, your chances of ranking are slim to none, but you're going to spend all this time and effort and money to try to get there, and you're not going to get the results anytime soon. You're better off going after keywords that can provide quicker results, and then once you're getting some rankings, you're generating some traffic, some revenue, then in the long run, you can invest after those harder terms that take longer to rank for. Before I dive in with the tactics, I got a quick stat for you. I get over 9 million visitors a month, but less than 0.1%, not 1%, I'm saying 0.1% of those visitors ever become a customer. High volume keywords don't mean much to go after if they don't have the correct intent. See, Google released an algorithm update a while ago called RankBrain. RankBrain is focused on finding out the user intent and why people are searching for something and what they're looking for, and they want to deliver the most relevant results. It's not about going after keywords anymore. It's about serving the user with their needs. For example, if someone types in Apple in Google, Google knows if they're looking for Apple, the computer company, or Apple, the food. So if you want to rank, you need to solve people's problems and not just stuff a ton of keywords anymore. So how do you find out the right keywords to go after? Well, step 1, go to Ubersuggest. Step 2, type in the keyword related to your industry. Step 3, you'll see a report that loads on Ubersuggest that just has, overview on the traffic and some stats on that keyword. In the left-hand navigation, I want you to click on the Keyword Ideas report. And when you click on the Keyword Ideas report, you'll see a button on the very right called Keywords I Can Rank For. If you don't see it, that means you need to log in. It's free to log in. And once you log in, you can put in your domain name. And when you put in your domain name, Ubersuggest will analyze your site and show you an appropriate list of keywords that you can target that you actually have a shot of ranking for in the shorter term time frame versus waiting years to get rankings for. Now filter them based on the intent of what is relevant to your products or services that you're selling. And what you'll find is Ubersuggest will break down if a keyword is easy to rank for or hard to rank for. Ideally, target the ones that are the easiest to rank for because it'll show a SEO difficulty score. Even though you have a list of all the keywords that you can rank for, pick the ones that are not just the most relevant to your business, but pick the ones that have the lowest SEO difficulty score. That means you'll be able to get the results faster. That's what I want you to start doing. Now, the next thing I want you to do is actually go to the site audit report within Ubersuggest. If you're starting off with SEO, it's not all about traffic. It's all about ranking for the right keywords that drive results in the short run so that way you have more money to invest in more long-term marketing approaches. But what you'll find with SEO is even if you're going after low competitive keywords, in the short run, you won't rank if your site is not buttoned up. All those little things really matter. With the site audit report, when you put in your URL, it'll break down all the errors. What you need to fix, what's the most crucial, what is more suggested and isn't as crucial, how fast your website's loading. Load speed is a really important factor because more people are browsing your website or pretty much the internet these days off of mobile devices than they are on desktop devices. So you really need to go and make sure that you button up all of those errors. And what's cool with the Ubersuggest site audit report is it breaks down each and every single error in priority. What I mean by that is the ones listed at the top show you, hey, you need to fix these errors first because they'll have the biggest impact on your rankings and traffic. And then you second, third, fourth, so just knock them all down in order. The last thing I want you to do is go create a project within Ubersuggest. So go to your dashboard, add a project, put in your URL, and put in the keywords that you want to rank for and that you're targeting. See, now that you have your keywords, now that you figured out what topics you want to go after, now that you've optimized your website, you want to track your progress. And this report here will show your rankings on both mobile and desktop devices, and it'll tell you your rankings in multiple cities or countries. This is cool because you should see your rankings climb, at the beginning, maybe not week over week or day over day, but in the long run, quarter over quarter, you'll definitely see your rankings go up. And, if you fast forward a little bit, you'll start seeing your rankings go up to page 1 and page 2. So that's what I would do if I were you. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. We're always here to help. If you just want my team to do all of this for you, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we're here to help you grow your traffic. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it, tell the people about it. Thank you very much.